Oh, my hair is doing weird stuff again. Anyways. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura, and this is Confident Notions. So today, I wanted to go over my Ipsy box. I'm a little confused because this seems like a really big box, and I usually get the Ipsy Glam bag, which is I thought what I had. This seems bigger. I know I did add some add-ons to it, but I didn't think a big box worth. Maybe I upgraded. I'm not certain. It's possible. Maybe I upgraded to like the medium box, the premium box or something. I mean, I guess anything's possible. I don't have, I'm just here digging and trying to get the sticker off because I don't have, like, God forbid I have scissors. Like, why would I have scissors in my office? Who knows? All right, so here's the Ipsy box. Oh no, it's not big. I didn't change it. It just says discover yourself in here, I think, and they put it in this bag. Okay, that makes so much more sense. So my Ipsy bag is inside of this, and then this palette, which I think is what I added on. Okay, that makes more sense. This is what my bag should look like. I was really confused for a minute because I didn't think I upgraded. So they just put it in a bigger box. Much better. Anything was possible. I could upgrade it. Pardon. Sick. So the first thing, I don't know, I always get like sucked in when Ipsy's like, hey, you want to get some of this before your box? And I'm like, oh yeah, I can get some of that. So I did add on, I think I added on 2 items. I added on a full-size item and something else, but it was a while, so it's going to be a surprise. But one of the things I did add on was this Nomad Berlin Underground eyeshadow palette because I thought it looked cool, and I think the add-ons were like 12 bucks. You know, 12 bucks for a palette. I mean, yeah, why not, right? Although my palette collection is growing exponentially, and I was never one to like do eyeshadow. Like, I'm actually really bad at it. I'm terrible about eyeshadow. So I've been trying to like do it and like figure out what it should look like. But I didn't wear eyeshadow for years. This is really cool. So yeah, this is Nomad palette, the Berlin Underground. And can you see? They've got little, like little skulls with mohawks on them. Do you love that? I love it. So, oh geez, you're gonna want me to try to pronounce these. I can't. I took a year of German in college, and I was horrible at it. I had taken like 6 years of Spanish prior to that, and it's not the same. I don't know why I wanted to take German, but I did. So there's some cool shades of Kreuzberg, something, The Wall, East Side Gallery, Techno, Held It, Poor But Sexy, nice, Tactless, Love Parade, Doubt, shoot, I can't pronounce it. Basically it's Dutch punk. I mean, German punk, shoot, German punk, damn it. Deutsch punk, yeah. These are cute. Look at that. Okay, let's do some swatches and see what we got. So I'm gonna swatch Love Parade, which is a really cool purple color. I'll do Hansa. I'll do Poor But Sexy. And SO36. All right. So here's the purple. There's that one. Am I right to get the right fingers here? I'm on Sudafed. Ooh. You see those? They've got some shimmer in them, but that's a nice. It's a little chunky on there, but those are really pretty shades. I loved how fall-y they were, which is probably why I bought the palette. So yeah, Berlin Underground. Cute, 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 cute. Now I've got stuff on my fingers. And I left my, anyways, I'm trying really hard not to wipe it on my pants is what it boils down to. So let's go ahead and open up the bag and see what else we got in here. So Oh, this is the other thing I added on. This is the Gigi Gorgeous, looks like a brush. I think this was $3 because I seem to remember like getting a $3 something in that. I was not aware because I don't pay attention, but apparently there is a Gigi Gorgeous collaboration with Ipsy this month. Okay, wait, all right, I'm back. I went and got my wipes because I've already smeared it all over my hand and it's on my pants. So that's good. I can't not make a mess, so that's cool. All right. Thank you, Pound Wipes from Primark. So apparently, like I was saying, there was a Gigi Gorgeous collaboration, but I didn't really pay attention to it. And this was a brush, and I don't remember. Oh, it's a contour brush. That's cool. I'm always down for a brush. So, and it comes with this little like condom net thing to put on it, which is cute. Damn, there's even more. How did I get all of this? It's all in my pants. All right, never mind. Keep going. So this is our bag for the month. I like the print on it. I've heard like some debate as to what people think it is. Some people say it was leopard print. Some people say it's cheetah print. Some say it's giraffe print. I don't know. Look, it's an animal print. It's brown and it's animal print. And it's got like a little bit of like pinky in it too. So it's actually a really cute bag. I'm down with it. So inside the bag, we have a card that tells you about all the stuff that you get in there. So this month's theme is Wild Side. So dare to step into uncharted territory with electric lipsticks, passion projects, and far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you might find the authentic version of you. So I will go take a look at that after we unbag all of the stuff, and let's see what I got. So the first thing that I got in my bag is by Barefoot Venus. It is Wild Ginger and Sweet Orange Mini Instant Hand Repair. So it is shea butter, mango seed oil, olive oil, soybean oil. I am allergic to soy. It's not going to kill me. It'll give me a stomach ache, so I just got to not eat it. That's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that there's soybean oil in here. But I do like the fact that it's an instant hand repair because my hands are notoriously dry, like just horribly dry. To the point where when I go to get my nails done, they're like, you need to do something. And I'm like, well, that's why I come to you, because I need you to help me help myself. I can't smell anything. There's something in there, though. It's thick. It's definitely a thick, greasy thing, which is usually what you see, which is the problem I have with most, like, intensive hand creams. They're supposed to, like, be, you know, super, like, moisturizing and that, but they end up just being kind of greasy. So this one is definitely on the greasier side. It smells good from half of what I can smell, but it's definitely greasy. So, it's one of those that you can use. Maybe I'll just keep it in my, just keep it in my car. So, and use it later. Let's see here. What else do we have? We've got this lipstick. Oh, no, it's a tinted lip balm. It is Hola Neon, and it is a tinted lip balm in the color Call Me. And let's see what we've got here. It's got plastic on it. So let's see what we've got. My hands are greasy now. I can't do this. So that's a cute color. Call Me. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I've been really into like liquid lipsticks recently and not so much in bullet lipstick, so that's cute. It's kind of a little bit of a sheer color. Again, it's hard to twist up and down because I've got the hand cream on me, but not bad. Oh, this is why I keep getting it all over the place, because I still have it on my arm. I'm like, why is it still on my pants? And that's why. All right. And let's see, what else do we get? Also in this bag, we got some dry shampoo. Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo, which is nice. Not a big dry shampoo user, but I'm excited to try some of that. And then I also got this little tiny thing, Pixie by Petra. This is a Naturally Nude. I don't know what this is. Is this an eye color? I think it's an eye shade. I'm not certain. Oops, I don't know. I just threw it on the floor and it went all over the place. Let me get it. Wait. So there we go. Oh, never mind. This contour brush was part of the kit. So let's take a look and see what we got. And so the 5 things that I did get was the dry shampoo, which is yes. This is a the Petra, Pixie by Petra is a mesmerizing mineral duo and nude. Oh, it's definitely for the eyelids. Okay. We've got the hand cream and the Hola Neon tinted lip balm in Call Me, and then the contour brush. So yeah, I mean, overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. I do like a good contour brush. I really thought I bought an extra thing, so that's weird. I'll have to go back and take a look. I knew I got the palette extra, but I thought I got another thing, so I'm gonna have to go back and double check. But I mean, and not too shabby. I do like a nice contour brush, don't get me wrong. This is a cute eye shade duo. The hand cream is a little bit greasy, and interested in the lip balm and the dry shampoo. So I mean, overall, I'm like not a bad Ipsy bag, and I do appreciate that they put it in a bigger box to get my palette. But I think I'm most excited about this palette, the one thing I actually paid for. So yeah, so that was my Ipsy bag. So I hope y'all like that. If you like watching these types of unboxing videos, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and you can get more of that. So thank you so much. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.